am the AfroGirl, and we are live right here with Breakz, where I take you into the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Now, let's start with our very first story. We are talking about our very own sister, Debbie, and she has asserted her irreplaceable position in the life of her ex-boyfriend, Medical. Her comments came as a response to a troll who criticized her latest LGBTQ post on social media. The person attacked her, specifically mentioning Medical's decision to choose Fela Makafui over her. And the comments read, "Now I understand why this guy left her for another woman." In retaliation, Sister Debbie proudly asserted her ongoing significance in Medical's life. She reminded the commenter that Medical had even dedicated an entire song to her, labeling her as a trophy in reference to their recent shocking collab, Cold and Trophies. And I don't know why you people want to drag Sister Deborah, because if you want to drag anybody in this industry, I don't think it should be her. If she has your time, if that woman has your time, you say A, she will take you all the way to Z. In case you don't remember, the VGMAs where Medical had 7 whole nominations and he didn't even take one home. People were dragging him on social media, and at that time they were dating. But she single-handedly cleared every Twitter troll. She will come at you unless she doesn't see. So I don't know why you want it's a sister that you want to play with. She's the one you want to play with. Anyways, moving on, we have our next story, which is Marie-Claire Rupio, the wife of late Black Stars attacker Christian Achu. She has responded to criticism from some members of the public regarding a dancing video she shared. In case you missed it, she shared a video dancing to Davido's Unavailable quite recently, resulting in some Ghanaians assuming that Rupio was displaying happiness just a few months after her husband passed. In response, she took to Instagram to address her critics, clarifying that her dance video was not a reflection of her being happy, but rather a way for her to cope with her grief and find healing. And we have the video of her dancing, so let's check it out. Public, some people, even in the media, were, throwing shade at her, and they don't understand why somebody passed away in, I think, February, and you are online dancing. So it was a whole thing, and people were attacking others and all of that. But she put out a statement talking about it, so let's read it. She says, "I am writing to say a few things. Yes, I posted a dance video, not because I am happy, but because I have to find a way to deal with my grief. I am not alone. I have 3 children to take care of by myself. I can't lose myself because I need to be strong for them. And in Europe, you deal with mental health in a lot of ways, and dancing was always my passion. So excuse me, but please just think before you write something or put it on YouTube. Thank you. We are missing Christian every single day, and it hasn't been easy, especially when you have 3 children who are asking every day for their dad. I am doing my best." And Charlie, you people, first of all, I find it very weird that you want to force your traditions down someone's throat. It's not her tradition to wear black and be sitting morose in her corner. It's not her tradition, so I don't know why that should be That's why, I don't know why that should even be the point of attack. Secondly, you people, your tradition is to go to funeral, go and get drunk, dance, sing, enjoy at the funeral. In fact, you go there and you worry the people who have lost their family member. And you people, do you think that you have the moral rights? You think you have the moral ground to attack somebody for dancing? Do you think that... I beg. Moving on to our last and final story. Now, the chiefs and people of Nogokbo have issued a 14-day ultimatum to Archbishop Charles Ejinasari, the founder and leader of Breakz Church International, to appear before them to resolve a dispute arising from some statements he made. During a press conference to address the issue, the convener of the community expressed their concern over the lack of remorse shown by the Archbishop. They believe this indicates a deliberate attempt to tarnish the reputation of the people of Nogokbo and to weaken the African traditional religion through religious intolerance. The people of Nogokbo are also calling on to the National Peace Council to help the Archbishop appear before the Council of Elders of the Nogokbo community within 14 days for amicable resolution. In case you missed it, Archbishop Charles Ejinasari at a summit held at the headquarters of Breakz Chapel in Accra on Thursday caused quite a stir when he preached about divine protection and the existence of evil forces. He shared that on the second night, he and one Bishop Yao Edu spoke about witchcraft and they disgraced the witches and wizards. He went on to state, and I quote, "Nogokbo is the demonic headquarters of the Volta region." Okay, now when they were driving from Aflao to Agbozoma, immediately they got to Nogokbo. The bishop's four-wheel drive tires, they came out from under the car. That is what he said. Now, according to Nogokbo, due to what Archbishop said about them, they have lost a noble investor who was prepared to start a business in the town. This is something that has been, even this morning, I've seen a lot of comments. I've seen people are quoting Bible verses and things that, hey, he shouldn't go and mix Christianity and wine. The people didn't say that we are coming to do religious fights. So they said that you want to say something about us, which generally probably isn't true. And once you've said this, you've made certain things happen. There's somebody who wanted to invest in our town, and he said he will not do it again because witchcraft there, he cannot. He doesn't want to get involved. You understand? So calm, and let's talk about it. Because if you think about it, he's not the first person to say it. He's not going to be the last person to say it. There are a lot of stereotypes about various ethnic groups in Ghana. And I think when it comes to witchcraft, West really take the brunt. And it's not fair. Yes, I'm speaking on behalf of my people. Yes, I'm here. It's not fair. It's not fair. So yes, go. And just so you know, his people have declared fast. Sorry, it's funny, but they've declared a fast. Everybody in Breakz Chapel is supposed to be fasting for, I think, about a week before anything happens. But, it's a developing story, and I'm here. I'm going to bring you all the updates. Anyway, so that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget, anything entertainment, I got you. Follow us on all our social media pages at MX24GH. Bye.